Hello everyone, welcome to Gun Coffee. Here we have a Family Nespresso machine. Now for this machine we just pretty much replace the heating element of the machine, replace some of the gaskets, the groove head, the piston, and yeah, just give it a good tune up and a good cleaning. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna test it out. As you can see, a steady stream of steam coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine, no leaks or anything like that. And now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee with it dripping. And I might have used a really fine grind for this machine. As you can see, the coffee is barely dripping and it's barely coming out of the machine right here. We should have around 1 ounce of water, which is perfectly fine. I'll use a really fine grind for this machine, fortunately. Just keep working perfectly fine, and yeah, just to show you the water flow, the group head, I will just remove the portafilter. You can see water from the group head coming out perfectly fine. And there you have it, my family working once again. So thank you for preparing Gun Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.